Let's get dirty. Aduh, aduh. And she's good to go. Monday. Today I took it slowly. Now I do it like this every week. Every Monday I took kind of half a day. I take it free. Not free, I still work, but my tempo is not as normal. So yeah, that's important to do it. Because otherwise I get so fucking tired. So yeah. Now let's go home, and tomorrow full throttle. First step's done. The engine and the gearbox are out. Tomorrow I'm gonna check the engine and the gearbox, but I don't know which one I'm gonna open first. I need to decide. Let's see. And further tomorrow I'm gonna put the motorcycle upstairs, so I have a room downstairs, and yeah, so I can work. Because in a week or week and a half, 2 weeks, it's gonna come another Norton, and I need the space to work. So yeah. So today I'm gonna put the Commando up on the first floor, and then move on with the engine. After all that, I needed to take a break, and then I decided to go and pick up all the stuff that I need to clean up this one and the gearbox. So that's what I did. And normally I clean everything in this one, and it's high pressure air with hot. I don't know how you call it, but yeah, it's like it takes all the grease out, and it leaves the parts really clean. But as you see, the window did broke on me, and I need to make a new one. And right now I don't want to spend time there, so that's a winter project. So now I'm just gonna do it old-fashioned way, just clean it by hand, and voila. Uno, dos. So right now, this is the last one. I'm gonna leave it there for a few hours, and later on I'm gonna scrap it, everything, and then yeah, then it's gonna be good to go. gears. I was checking the gears. One of the gears is totally wear down, so really damaged. This one I heated up earlier, so I could take this one off. No, the middle one, yeah. The screw, this one, yeah. And this one is a little bit, still a little bit warm, but it's not hot. So when I was taking the gears out, I just pulled it all out, like totally, with the bearing and everything. That's weird. So that's the first thing. So I need to measure. The holes there. Next thing I saw is damage here inside. Later I will show it. And yeah, rust in the first side of the gearbox, but that's normal. And of course damage on the kickstart here, the system. This one gets always damaged. But here we go. This one, let's see if you can see it. Yes, I think it's possible to see it. Here is a crack. Yeah, really visible. From here it goes to here, up to here. I think in the back is even easier to see it. Or not. Nah, it's going through here. Crack. I think that what happened is someday back in the day, the kickstart system got like stuck or something and bam! And then that's what happened, because I was taking this one out and I saw this. I started to clean a little bit and I was like, oh my god. So yeah, you see it right away. And this one is loose too. So actually this one I cannot use it because I can weld it, yes, but then I need to redo this one, and it's way too much work. So I will need to search for a new one. That's something. This gear is totally wore down. Let's see this one. Yes. And yeah, that's all. So now it's time to make a list of all the parts I need and do some calls. Let's get dirty. All this was from the crankshaft. So now Roland did this drawing, so I can produce a gasket for here, and I'm gonna change how actually normally this works. Like normally you put this one, then you put this one on top, and then it's leaking. And I don't want that anymore, so I thought like, maybe I can make a gasket, but I'm not that fast with computers. That's why I asked Roland, and he made it now. And yeah, we're gonna produce it and let's see if it works. Yeah. Yeah, the bearing was not deep enough, so I couldn't put the spacer on this side, and that's all the thing. So to be sure that it was right, I took everything apart and I redo it again. So yeah, but now it's good. This one the spaghetti thing, I still need to make it even nicer, but yeah, first I want to change the spark plugs and then I will fix it everything here. So yeah, front I need to do steel brakes, rear, front and rear, the clutch I need to put it, and I have the choke, the cable from the choke cable. This one is yeah, it wasn't good, so I'm waiting for a new one to get in, and when I have it, then I can close everything here. At the rear, I will clean up this tomorrow and just leave like a few cables for the rear lights, but that's it. Yeah, nothing more to do, but still it's a lot of work. I mean, like but I'm happy because right now that this one now is good, I'm really happy. Yeah, because now it's standing in those new wheels proper, and yeah, I need to do the chain, but the chain I'm gonna clean it and put it back, and then we'll see. Maybe next week I can start it. Maybe, we will see. So let's start the day. Now I have this one. This one is for the pre-unit bobber I'm making, and now I need to measure it. I know it's plus 60 already, so let's see. I searched and actually I found out plus 80, but I'm not sure if these are good enough for it. I mean, like, because I see some damage here, you can see, so yeah. So now the carburetor of the Daytona is good. Was leaking, as you saw, but now it's fine, and yeah, I will keep test it until they come and pick it up, and if something new pops up, then I will fix it, and voila. But so far so good, and now it's fine, so perfect. Now next moving to this one now. I wanted to measure it and check. Let's see, and then further with the rest. Now I just finished with this one. I cannot go further, I mean, because yeah, this one is not getting loose. This one actually, to get loose, needs to go this way. But the problem is that I think they put some Loctite in it. I think, or it feels like it, because it should be loose already. So I try to heat it up, but with the 1.5, the flame is way too big and then burns the oil that's still a little bit inside, like like this, you know? And I don't want to have a fire here in my workshop. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick up a smaller one, a smaller flame, or even maybe this foam, no, I don't know how you say it. Like it's a heater, it's a painter remover, and it's really hot air, and this one is the one I was using always, but it broke on me like, I don't know, 6 months ago or so, and then I didn't buy a new one. So tomorrow I'm gonna buy a new one, yeah, that's for sure. Aduh, aduh, aduh. So now I'm here to pick up some materials for tomorrow for Kim's work. So we will see. Now I did pick up this one. Voila. And they didn't have the painter remover, so I bought this one. So yeah, let's see. So back into the shop. Now I got this one. Let's see. Bam! And this one goes in here. And now I can connect this one and move on with the Norton. So Jan, thank you for helping out on this one. So, let's see. Yes. Nice. So the engine is completely open, so I'm happy with that. The only problem right now is that this one doesn't want to go, yeah, in 3 pieces. So I see Loctite everywhere. I took one out, but the rest is, I can see the Loctite everywhere. So this one must to go in the oven and I stay there a few hours and then let's try again. Yeah. So that's for today, for this one. Tomorrow more with this one. So, another crazy chopper. This one is Japanese. I know what I'm doing, working on Japanese. Yeah, I know. But from time to time, they call me and they tell me like, if you see a picture you will like it. They send me the picture and I'm like, okay, bring it. Yeah, I'm gonna check it for you. So yeah, okay, the problem here is the carburetor. The red one was leaking some gasoline. The headlight was broken, one of them. It's broken, as you can see. And the battery is dead. So I mean, must happen more things, more details, but right now I'm just gonna repair this, like battery, carburetor, and the headlight, and that's it. Yeah, for the moment. Later on in the year, or maybe next year, this motorcycle is gonna be back, and then I'm gonna modify some things. So yeah. Gone, tomorrow more, and now let's enjoy something that I got today. Eric did bring me this. It's this Belgian beer. Voila. So yeah, he brought all the parts for his Norton, his cafe race, and he was like, oh hey, and I have this for you. I was like, holy. Okay. So there we go. Now I just check everything. Actually I check everything, like all the holes and everything is open, so no problem. Something that I saw is like, if you check this one and this one has like still some form, like, you know, like it's pump it out, like thicker, and this one is thinner. So I tested if it's still floating, because the owner told me like the right carburetor was dropping some gasoline. Something I saw is that this one in between it's too fluffy actually, and as it didn't have any of those clamps, so now I think was losing some gasoline through there. Besides that, I don't see any weird thing. Like, it looks good. I test those two too, you know, like this. You do like this, whoop, whoop. Then you see that it works properly. But yeah, besides that, everything looks good. So now I'm gonna do a list, order new gaskets, and then next week, hopefully Monday or Tuesday, I can deliver this motorcycle. That would be nice. Yeah. So let's go with the next one. Unfortunately, I needed to open the engine again. This time because this one actually, as you can see, I put it on the momentum, the proper momentum, and the red one was okay, no problem at all, and this one just kept on turning, and I was like, no. So this one is not damaged. That's what I was checking now. It's okay. Only this one is damaged. So yeah, now I need to find a new one or make a new one, and then put it all back together. And here we have my legs. This one, is Ja, doe maar. Even kijken. Wat?
Natuurlijk wel lucht is ingezet.
Deze zit er niet in.
Nou, dat zit er niet.
Is dat er wel de hier wel vast?
Ja, die heb ik wel vast.
Oké. Oké. Ja. Dat is goed. Mooi. So, time for me to go home. It's pretty late. It's like almost 2 o'clock. So, 2 o'clock in the evening, of course. So, yeah, let's go home. Let's call it a day. Next week, more.
Let's stop this one there. So let's do that. Yeah. So after the looking for some parts from the, oh no, wait, So, voila. Now the back tire, the rear tire, sorry. So, so after a good training in the gym, because my shoulder is fucked up. Weet je? Dus
So,
so the engine is all apart, in pieces. I'm gonna jump into the Suzuki. So yeah, houdoe. So there we go. Let's see, windows. Yes, okay.